Hi everybody, it's time now to put on a Yoshimura RS-4 for the Ninja 2015. This is the sound of the stock exhaust for the 2015 Ninja. Shall we? Oh, that's interesting. The other videos I've been watching, they come with the styrofoam packaging. This, what's it? I'm able to recycle this much better. Be very careful when you're using a knife to open up the package for the muffler. Good. Now let's open up the little bag here. Stickers. These are the tools you're going to be needing for installation and removal. Just a ratchet system. The only one I think you're going to need here is the 12mm. And then these pieces just came with a bike. You get your Allen key, the larger one, and the middle size one. And this is just the handle that comes with these parts. It's recommended that 2 people work on this together. It's just me here today, so I'm going to do the best I can. When you're slipping off the muffler, you're going to need something soft for it to drop on, so I'm just going to use a blanket. Now I'm going to take the fairing off here. Now I didn't take the whole thing off. All I did is just remove the bolt so I could lift it up just enough so I can get to the exhaust bolt here. And the last bolt I'm going to do is this one right here. I've kept the headers still on loosely just so it doesn't drop out. But once I get everything loose, I'm going to put a blanket underneath and drop it down slowly. Now I've got everything loose in the front here where the headers are, but what I want to do is loosen this, the front here. So I'm going to take this peg out, open it up so that the header system and the pipes will actually drop through. I'm not going to take off the whole fairing. I'm just going to open this up and drop it through. Okay, last bolt. That's heavy. Now I get to unwrap brand new covers. This is gorgeous. Look how shiny that is. Wow, I don't even want to touch it. My favorite part? Thing of beauty. Quite the difference in size. All right, now time to put on the new system. So it fit perfectly. I just had to nudge it in, and then the stop bolts are what you use to put them on. So I just got them loosely there. I'm just going to tighten them up now. put them on loosely. Just hand tight for now. Now for the muffler installation, I've loosely put it into the header here and just wiggled it in. It comes with a couple of spacers and stuff, right? So if you need space between your muffler and your tire, or if you have too much space, these will help you. But for me, what I have here is just enough space. Can't really see it from the sun, but it's going to be over there. There's about a finger gap, and it's just enough here. Here are the bolts and nuts required for the muffler assembly. This is the only stock part that you're going to be using from the muffler that came with your Ninja. That's it. The rest is all out of the bag. So the next step is to include or to install the spring here. That is going to go right here. Finished. I got everything assembled. Everything's loosely put on, but I'm about to just tighten everything up as per the directions before I even start it. So here we go. Okay, last thing we got to do is we got to wipe off all of our fingerprints and all that oil that we put on it, because if it gets all hot, it's going to tarnish it. So let's do that. Okay, we're all finished. Everything's installed nice and tight. The rivets are back in, polished it. I can't think of anything else I need to do except start it. Let's do it. There you have it. Brand new Yoshimura RS-4S for the Ninja 2015. Thanks.